Hi there! In this video, I'm going to share an extremely useful feature on Mac. When you're working with dozens of windows open, dragging and moving files back and forth can be really tedious. Hot corners will drastically boost your file moving and transferring efficiency. Let me show you an example. I've set the top right hot corner to show the desktop. Hover your mouse to the top right corner of the screen, and the desktop will pop up instantly. Hover there again, and all your open windows will restore automatically. It's simple to operate. Once you're on the desktop, select the files you want to move. Keep holding the left mouse button. Move your cursor back to the same hot corner to return to your app windows. Then drop the files into your target folder. This method works perfectly even for multiple selected files. Now let's go through the setup steps. Open Spotlight Search and look up Hot Corners. In the Settings panel that pops up, pick any screen corner you prefer, set its action to desktop, save your changes, and you're all set.